And because there aren't, is that an argument the defense makes in his favor? Where are the other defendants? How come he's the only guy that's really being prosecuted here? Why is it that you haven't been able to find anybody else since you're accusing him of racketeering?
Oh, you bet. They're going to make some variation of that argument. They're going to go, oh my goodness, folks, a racketeering enterprise. There must be a lot of people involved. Well, folks, guess what? They say he's the whole thing. How about all these other guys? How about these bodyguards? How about these handlers? How about these enablers? Now, some of them will testify. Some of them have been given deals. They've been given immunity, or they've been given non-prosecution agreements. So some of these people are going to get on the stand and say, yes, I was part of this. Yes, I helped him out. But in exchange for my testimony, I've been given a free pass. Now, you know what the counter to that is going to be. They got a sweet deal because they're just telling prosecutors whatever prosecutors want to hear. But it's not uncommon. I mean, I made more cooperation deals than I could even remember. So, yeah, that's absolutely going to be a dynamic at this trial. He's the only one. They say this is a one-man show. You shouldn't believe that, members of the jury.
What about the video, Cassie Ventura, his ex-girlfriend, where he ran down the hallway half naked and dragged her, threw her to the ground, kicked her, and all of that stuff? We saw that video. First of all, we don't know. I'd like to know whether you believe that's going to be admissible in this court case, number one. And number two, the fact that she's agreed to testify against him, according to the reports. How damning do you believe there is the potential for that to be?
I think that video is the prosecution's single most important and most powerful piece of evidence. It will come in, by the way. That was the subject of a pretrial ruling. The judge said, yes, you may play the video. Now, the question is going to be, what's the relevance? What's the context around it? It appears the prosecutors are going to argue this was part of him threatening, forcing, coercing, abusing this woman as part of his effort to traffic her across state lines for sexual purposes.